Good morning! We are now in our 8th week for English 8 Quarter 2 Module 5, Recognizing Positive and Negative Messages in Text. This module is designed and written to help you, young learners, learn better the English language. The scope of this module permits it to be used in many different learning situations. The language used recognizes the diverse vocabulary levels of students. The most essential learning competency covered in this module is to recognize positive and negative messages conveyed in a text. This is Ma'am Aileen Amestrada, your English teacher, and we will be discussing our lesson for today. At the end of our lesson, you are expected to identify signal words and expressions used to convey positive and negative messages, recognize positive and negative messages in statements, and construct sentences using signal words and expressions conveying positive and negative messages. Before we begin our discussion, I would like you to turn your module on page 1, Jumpstart, and do the activity. This activity will help you assess your knowledge about recognizing positive and negative messages conveyed in a text. You need to read and answer the questions carefully and write the letter of your choice on a separate sheet of paper. For items 14 and 15, read the paragraph and answer the questions that follow. Good luck! If you are done with the activity, let's move on to page 3, Discover. In this part, you will now be learning new concepts on recognizing positive and negative messages conveyed in a text through the different activities and exercises. Let us now read the passage and learn what the text is all about. So, what is the text all about? What happened to Tita? How did she overcome the challenge? Have you found positive and negative expressions or messages in the text? Let us now study the statements taken from the passage. Number 1. Tita felt slightly discouraged. Number 2. Tita could not move her arms and legs. Number 3. Miss Duran explained with a smile, "You've done it, Tita." Number 4. She became one of the lucky learners who would learn to operate a special computer. Number 5. Tita felt nervous when she saw her new teacher coming towards the computer laboratory. And number 6. She felt proud when the computer responded to her voice. "Very good," Miss Durand explained with a smile. Which of the statements express positive messages? Very good. The statements 3, 4, and 6 express positive messages. What expressions help you to identify positive messages? That's great! The words are very good, you've done it, and lucky learners. What expressions help you to identify negative messages? Good job! There are 3 statements express negative messages, and these are: number 1, Tita felt slightly discouraged. Number 2, Tita could not move her arms and legs. And number 3, Tita felt nervous when she saw her new teacher coming towards the computer laboratory. Aside from the expressions mentioned a while back, there are other expressions used to convey positive and negative messages. Do you want to know more? Let's go! All of these words and expressions convey positive messages. Why? Because positive messages express gratitude, motivation, or encouragement. They also express greetings. On the other hand, how do you convey negative remarks or messages? What expressions are used? To help you recognize negative messages, it is important that you are familiar with the commonly used negative words and expressions. Let's begin. All of these words and expressions convey negative messages because negative messages convey unpleasant information such as negation, disappointment, and anger. Aside from recognizing positive and negative messages conveyed in a text, you can also recognize positive and negative messages conveyed in videos. These are the materials viewed, or pictures, through video analysis and picture analysis. Now, turn your module on page 6, Explore. There are some enrichment activities for you to work on to master and strengthen the basic concepts you have learned from this lesson. Please use separate sheet of paper for your answers. Activity 1. Classify me. Look at the words and expressions inside the cloud. Make a table and write the signal words and expressions which convey positive and negative messages. Activity 2. Complete me. Complete the statements with the appropriate words or expressions found in Activity 1. No answer shall be repeated. Activity 3. Positive or negative? Read and analyze the excerpt containing expressions that convey positive and negative messages. Then, answer the questions that follow. You are almost there. Again, turn your module on page 8 and perform the depend part. Activity 1. Plus and minus. Read and analyze these statements whether they follow or not the health and safety measures during the pandemic. Write plus sign to indicate that the statement conveys a positive message and minus sign if it conveys negative message. Activity 2. Read and list. Read the news article and answer the questions that follow. Activity 3. Voice it out. Read the situations. Choose one and write a 2-paragraph composition expressing your realization on the importance of the situation. Use positive and negative words or expressions in conveying your message. Please refer to the rubrics for your composition. Very well done, my dear learners. You are now ready to take your post-test on the gauge part on page 10. Activity 1. Message Relay. Read the sentences carefully and identify whether the statement expresses a positive or negative message. Put a check mark on the column that corresponds to your answer. Activity 2. Memory Lane. Complete the paragraph by filling out the important word or words and key points from your module, and again, use separate sheet of paper for your answers. Reminders. Please be guided to the following activities to be submitted. That ends our lesson. Thank you for participating in today's class. Great job!